Good morning. I am tired today. It's 9:45. I need to make another run to the post office this morning and upload my vlog from yesterday. I am definitely not liking this one as much as yesterday's. Maybe tomorrow's prompt I will not use Posca pens. Or maybe I am just too tired today, but that's okay because it's not about making something perfect every day, it's just about drawing every day. And that's what I did. I drew. It's a funeral tree because that's a thing apparently, to plant a tree instead of like a coffin in the ground. Inspiration for this one was. So Roro has been working on her Inktober. So what was day one? You have to show us.
Diamonds.
Crystal. Did crystal. Hang on, honey. There you go. She did a crystal. She did a few crystals. And then what was day two? Remember? What was day two? Suit? So what kind of suits did you do?
Police officer.
Police officer.
And before the police officer, I did a butterfly.
Yes, and that's beautiful, baby.
A firefighter. That's what it looked like. And this was before. And a businessman. I'm working on more.
Good job, babe.
Don't get rid of these special beads.
Very cool. Tell us again for day one.
I made a person who's wearing a necklace, and I made an arrow right there, and where the necklace is, and I made a closer look right here.
It's a crystal necklace, huh? Good job, buddy.
Crystal.
You did a good job.
And a jack-o'-lantern with a suit, which is right here.
I love it.
And it has a witch hat right there.
Yeah, it's his Halloween suit. What'd you get?
It's yours.
One of them's yours, right?
This is yours.
Thank you! I love it. I wish that it was cool enough to actually wear it. What's yours? Oh man, of course. So It's a little big, but I still really like it and I'm going to keep it. I like it. I just have a cozy, oversized sweater now. And I always order a size bigger from these independent artists. It's really hot. Hoodie. I haven't had a hoodie since like high school, so.
I'm gonna go back in there.
I definitely took a really long nap, which is fine. It's Saturday, but I have coffee and PJ Masks, which I don't want to watch. You're not even in here.
I'm looking behind you.
We are going to have supper here soon. Yeah, we're just all having a very lazy Saturday. Kids are working on a bracelet. Rory is helping Will find little letter beads to spell out the name of the boy that Will is making the bracelet for. That you use, they're these, which mine are like really faded because I wear them every day. But they're made from rubber bands.
Here's what they look like.
The one that Will is making for his friend. Beautiful, Ro. So long.
I worked too hard on it.
Too hard?
I mean,
Are you gonna be okay?
I just worked very, 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 very hard. How many beads there are? I think there's a million.
I think so too. Did a good job.
Can you tie it?
Yep. I'm gonna do laundry now. The kids are cleaning up their rooms a bit while they wait for their food to get done. Hello, Woody. He's where I'm gonna need to put clothes. Excuse you. Excuse you. Anyway, I'm gonna do laundry and try to think of ideas for supper because I want a real supper tonight. Sandwich that we had for lunch just didn't hit the spot for me. Usually I really like it. I don't know. I just wasn't in the mood for them today. I might see if Adam is feeling up for stir fry. What are you gonna pick, bud? Are you gonna use the same one?
Actually, I'll pick something else.
Can you show us how to do it?
Carefully take that one. There. This one.
Ah, Glenn Miller?
And there's the one we just
Yeah, we just took that one. Careful. There you go. Too far in. That's alright. We had a few pot stickers left, so I'm gonna use those, and I really need to make some more. I'll probably do that sometime this month. Rory likes to help me make pot stickers.
And then they all fell off. You hit rubble. like blue, I'm going to be Breath of the Wild. And you are a baby.
Adam, look like you're enjoying life. Oh God.
Blue shells hit